Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans.
All aboard, we're going to Camotes. To Philippines.
New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is
you map
haunted,
where you want to go.
filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it an even thousand. If you're brave enough,
Don't drop
you
your
should see for
phone.
yourself after you arrive back at the landing in Frontierland.
Give me that.
No, later there's a show. Yeah. It's Columbia. Disneyland. Take picture. See? Oh. That's Columbia Disneyland. Okay? Later is outside.
We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport of the Great Western Voyage Challenger Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world.
You
The
like that
most
one?
famous landmark in this area is Splash
You're
Mountain,
gonna get wet.
named for the fact that everyone seems to have a splashing good time when they visit.
Especially if you're really
Splash
like
Mountain is part of Critter
really
Country,
hot.
a remote wilderness filled with tall
Okay.
pines,
So you map where you want to go.
and one of those tall tales we often hear along the river. The story is
So that's
that
the
the
roaring.
birds and animals that live
What's that? Rapids?
sing
The roaring rapids?
like I said, just
Oh, I like that one. I like that one.
Oh, they dropped too high. This is my first time riding this one.
I know.
I've been here how many times, but I did not ride this.
Did you take video of that one? Na-miss ko yung... You didn't take video. Yeah.
Gusto mo yun, mami?
While you're
Taas
in
kaya.
Critter Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the Explorer canoes. You can work up a real good sweat owning one of those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain
Sana
riverboat
kanina yung
any
with the
day.
ano... Do I need to look?
Hey, your phone. You back up a little bit when you go. You back up when you drop it.
Listen to the director. YouTube, look at each other. But how come you take out your glass? Yeah. Don't do whatever you want.
Really, boss? Oh, sorry.
Nice view.
we head into the remote areas of the rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River.
Look towards me. Check.
The majestic trees, the stunning rock formations, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful.
Sana doon tayo sa may upuan.
Ayaw mo na mainit, di ba?
Ayun o, di ba yun?
Mas maganda doon. Pwede ka naman lumipad doon ah.
Off to the side of the river is an Indian chief, and I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains.
Ay, sinanggal ko yung sombrero ko.
Malaki ng ano ko, ng braso ko na ano. Ako nakasmile, ikaw hindi ka nakasmile. Ano ba talaga? Oh, that's the real horse? Oh, why does the tail is shaking?
Hi ho, Shelber.
Hindi naman maklaro yung pinukunan mo. Ito, picture ito.
Hi ho, Shelber.
Picture.
That's the horse? Of course, of course.
Siya naman, oh. Ito naman, bakit ito naman? Ay! I know, but look at that.
That's the beaver. Beaver.
Justin Bieber?
Beaver.
Ay!
Justin Bieber.
What photo?
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
Off the port side of the river is a wise old shaman, sharing a story for all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota have passed down from generation to generation. And there, just beyond the shaman, is a tribe of Plains Indians setting up their camp along the banks of the river. They'll be here for a few months and then move on. As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wildlife.
Babalik na tayo.
Maganda kasi yung hangin malamig. Dati pumunta tayo dito. Alam, may ganyan-ganyan.
You bring charger? Wala. I told you to bring charger. Ba't hindi nababangga nun? I go upstairs. I go there, I go.
Off the starboard side is Pirate's Lair at Tom Sawyer Island. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I see why. If you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school. And you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure all day long. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought.
Miss.
Bro, don't do that.
We're now heading back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering buttes of Big Thunder Mountain. Rumor has it that the railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural
Babalik na
forces.
kami.
And they've turned the mining trains into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Of course, that may be just another legend of the river.
Oh, may pila na oh. Ngayon kanina wala. Kasi nakatambay
Just
naman.
ahead is the frontier land, where our journey ends.
The jungle ride is the same like this but more scary. Pilingera ka lang talaga.
If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down.
Pilingera ka lang talaga.
The stairways to the right side and the back of the boat may offer the quickest and easiest ride. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us
Pilingera.
real soon.
Oh, tayo ka doon mo.
Engine room. Approach ready in 1/4 speed.
Wala nang hayaan mo.
Wala mo yung nag-wave para makita mo na yun ang nili-wave ko kanina tapos siya. Dali.
Stand by to go ashore.
Oh,
Nang video?
yeah. Yeah, para siya yung...
Ay, di ho. Ay, di pa nga dumunggo eh. Bro. Move it, bro. Say, bro. Can you guys don't stop in the middle? You're walking.